Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Hyundai. With a 10.5 kilowatt 3-phase onboard charger, making it easy to charge at home or on the go. To the side of the car's profile, standing proudly on 20-inch alloy wheels, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. Now to the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery with a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 2-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Hyundai skateboard dash. Now one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin, and as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 2-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the skateboard dash. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bose sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The multimedia display going on the home page, into maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. The climate control settings, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin, regardless of the weather outside. Just to the side of the steering wheel with the automatic gear stick, allow you to drive, reverse and park, stay connected with the USB port, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, along with the buttons for the front and back electric windows. This approved used Hyundai is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.